Hello everyone, Storm 1-1 here. Today we'll be taking a look at severe weather for the next couple days. And also be talking about the potential flooding for parts of the Ohio Valley and Tennessee valleys. And let's go ahead and get started with the severe weather side of things. So here is tomorrow for Wednesday. The Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk for severe weather for parts of Missouri, Arkansas, and Oklahoma, while there's a marginal risk for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Arkansas, Illinois, Indiana, and Kentucky. Now, we do have missing ingredients here. One of the main there's one ingredient that we are missing, and that's the mid and low level. I'm losing my words. Forgot what it is called, but we're going to be getting to it. So we're going to get started with the ingredients to severe weather, and this is going to be the wind speed, or you could call it the jet stream. See here, it's pretty good for pretty much everybody. So it's good for severe weather. That's one of the ingredients. Vorticity, it did not come up earlier, but now it has. So vorticity wise, it's good. It's actually pretty good actually for a few areas. So that passes. Dew points, it's alright. You got dew points in the 60s. There's a couple areas that are in the 50s as well. No, not that one. Consecutive products here. Now here's the mid and low level lap rates. That's what I was looking for. So the low level lap rates shows nothing. But the mid level though have a little bit of a sign here for tomorrow. There's not much, but it's not really going to be good enough for severe weather activity, which is a missing ingredient. EHI here values, it's good for Wednesday. You got nearly 2 for parts of Arkansas, and you even got 3 down back in Texas as well. Helicity. Hello? Is it working? Alright, I guess we're not going to look at helicity. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Just having a little bit hard time to load. So helicity, it's pretty darn good. Got helicity up in the 400s. For Oklahoma, you got 300s and 200s. So that's pretty good. Supercell composite. There's another day to watch, and that is day 3, and that is Thursday. Now, what's looking to be could be a little bit worse than this day, but it's the same situation. We don't have much of a low or mid-level lap rates. So here is the supercell composite. See, here's tomorrow here. I did not make a forecast for tomorrow, but I did make one for day 3 because it's a little bit more concerning. So what's this telling me here is an enhanced risk on Wednesday. Now here's Thursday. See, this is what I'm talking about. Now where I'm seeing here is you can see the sharp cutoff right here. That tells me there's going to be a squall line for strong severe thunderstorms. Now the best chance for it looks to be for the same areas for severe weather today. Tomorrow. But it's also going to be stretching back pretty far down to Texas there. So that's what this is looking at in particular. Cape or shear, it's good for tomorrow. Going to Thursday, however, seems like there's a little bit of cape down in Oklahoma area. It looks to be up to nearly 2,000. The strength index, it's okay for tomorrow. But, when you get to Thursday, there's a good area down in Texas and maybe parts of Oklahoma as well. So here's what the storm prediction shows for Thursday. Ooh, that was bad. So here's on Thursday, they only have a marginal risk for parts of Texas, Arkansas, and Missouri, maybe parts of Oklahoma as well. So it's not much for right now. Looks like what they're seeing here is that squall line potential there. That's why it kind of looks that way. As you can see here, see your low and mid-level jet shift east north. Yeah. See, it's there, but it's not in the area where people will want for severe weather. It's in a bad spot. It's not there where most of your greens are going to be at. So I think this is day 2. Yeah, here's day 2, severe weather ingredients. Here, wind speed, it's pretty good. Vorticity, dew point, capes, EHI, and helicity, all pretty good. Low and mid-level lap rates are not good. Strength index is okay. My severe weather threats for day 2 tomorrow, it's probably mainly going to be damage to winds. The rest of them is going to be low. I think I'm going to go ahead and upgrade heavy rain flash flooding to medium there. So here is day 3. Here we got very good for wind speed, vorticity, helicity, and the strength index here. Dew point, cape, and EHI is good. Again, low mid-level lap rates are not good. Here's my severe weather threats for those days. Damage to winds looks to be the primary threat. That also goes along with the flash flooding threat. Large hail tornadoes could be a possibility there as well. Now, here's my forecast map for the severe weather for day 3. I've put in a slight risk. This is for a larger area. So I think the SPC will have an agreement with this, because even if we have low to mid-level lap rates, we can still get that chance for maybe a cell that could produce a tornado. That is a possibility as well. But the main threats are going to be that damage and wind threat. And that slight risk, I could move it more to the northeast to Arkansas, where you have that squall line potential. And that area could be upgraded to an enhanced risk for that damage and winds with that squall line. Since we got severe weather out of the way, here is the flooding potential for parts of the Ohio Valley and the Tennessee Valley. Here, so we're going to try to make this a little bit quicker. So here we go into rainfall totals. As you can see here, there's a good swath of rain through parts of central and western Kentucky. There looks to be most of the rain from the FE3 GFS. So rainfall totals maybe up to 6 inches possible, or 5.5. That's a lot of rain for 2 days. That is 90 hours out. So that's a lot of rain for 90 hours. So here we're going to switch over to the European model here. It's not showing much rain in the FE3, but it does show a general 1 to 3 inches of rain. But this time it's going to be more north of west of the Kentucky area. We do have a little pocket there, but I think it's just going to be one of those heavier thunderstorms there. That could bring down a lot of rain as well. And what's in the normal GFS shows? Shows similar situation at FE3. Heaviest rain, central and western Kentucky, Maine stretching down to Tennessee as well. Again, less rainfall totals than FE3. Rainfall totals could reach up to 4 inches. Now, I don't think the NAM is there yet. The 3 days on this thing does not work, but here's next 2 days. It shows a little. I think that is a little bit too far to the north. But, you know, Kentucky can get that better chance for severe weather. If you see something like that a little bit more to the north, you see a lot less rain here. That means there could be some sunshine, maybe. That could be a possibility. It's going to be pretty warm for Kentucky area. Let's go ahead and take a look at the European model here. And let's go into Thursday, 10 a.m. Here, these numbers, that's 10 a.m. Let's go to 8 a.m. Here it is. I think these temperatures are too low for the European model, but the forecasted temperature is going to be in the high 60s and low 70s, which can break our record highs for winds for tomorrow and Thursday. But look at this temperature change, though. You can go from 70 till 7 a.m. on Friday. If this can load for me, please. There we go. And you can just go down in the low 20s, 9 a.m. in just a few hours, which is an incredibly strong cold front there, bringing another blast of Arctic air. So this is all I got for y'all guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video with the flash flooding severe weather threat. If you got any questions, go and put them down in the comments down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.